Second thing is it is always advisable to have a fund balance and the cash balance in your reporting. So what I mean by fund balance? Fund balance, okay, you received 100 rupees, out of which you already spent 80 rupees. So, and when you are closing a quarter, when you are closing a project, I think it's as a best practice, you should book your liability on a quarter to quarter basis. So for example, you have received an invoice and are unable to pay. So let us say that invoice amount is another 10 rupees. So 80 rupees is already spent and 10 you have done a provision. So out of 100, you have already utilized a fund of 90 rupees, but you still have a cash balance of 20 because 10 rupees you have not paid. So if the donor asks you to close the project at that particular time without giving a notice, so you can say, okay, my fund closing balance is 90, not actually 20, because I have a liability to discharge 10 rupees. So you cannot say your suppliers, the project is closed, I can't pay you 10. It's always do accounting on accrual basis and then report, okay, what is the fund available. So in this case, if you see, look at carefully, I have closed the project in September 2010. So my fund closing is 1,39,000, but my cash is more than the fund because I have a 80,000 which is my liability. So I have accrued. So my cash balance is more than the fund balance. So in case of the project closure, I will discharge my liability of this 80,000 and 1,39,000 which is an unspent grant which I will refund it back to the donor.